have my brother Bruce here from Down to Earth Landscapes in Santa Barbara, and he's going to show us how to prune a California sage. I've been wanting to learn how to do it the right way, so today I thought I would ask him to show us.
Well, first of all, what I would probably do is get rid of all this exterior old growth.
Okay.
These are all just spent flowers, and a lot of people would want to cut these and maybe bring them in the house. A lot of people spray these with something.
Any flower arrangements.
Yeah, they bring it in. But normally what you want to do is to cut it heavy.
Right.
These only will bush out if you get rid of all this upper growth.
Right.
So,
You can still see like there's a little blossom on this one here.
Yeah, this is what's left of,
Yeah, how they bloom.
Yeah, but normally the entire ball would be just that.
Right,
that
full of
flower.
purple blossom, yeah.
But you can see already that the sage is trying to push out some new growth.
Right.
So it's basically telling us that it's time to prune it.
Right.
So we're going to make a cut on getting rid of some of this dead wood on the California sage. Here's a nice node coming out with new growth. And we'll take it off right there.
Take it for you, Bruce.
And basically do the same, and around the entire plant, and get rid of this old growth that's, is gone, and it's reshaped the plant. And then even this growth here, I would take it down to about right there.
Okay. Now, when you cut, do you do it at an angle, Bruce, or do you do it as straight across?
Yeah, a little bit of an angle is okay. What it does is when you cut it at a plant at an angle, it forces the water not to sit on the cut.
Oh, it's a good idea.
And so it's just a good idea to probably cut it.
Right. At an angle, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
But so that's the basics of trimming the California sage.
Right. And save what you've cut off, because they're really pretty.
They're very
fragrant, and you put them in flower arrangements.
Lavender is really easy to trim. Don't be afraid to do it. Just reach in, cut that upper growth out down to the new growth, and they love it. It'll produce all the new growth for the next year in your flowers.
Makes a stronger plant.
So what I normally do is I just reach in like I'm gonna cut some hair, and I bring my fingers down, and I just come in where the new growth is starting to sprout, and I just nip it off.